What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. Today we have another unboxing. These are the Military Blue 4s, the 2024 edition, and this might be my favorite colorway of the 4 in general. These and I would want to say the black and red 4s are probably my two favorite, and so I'm really looking forward to unboxing this, you guys seeing my initial reaction. As you all know, over here we do our unboxings blind, so I have no idea what this shoe looks like, if there are any defects from production or anything like that. Really excited about this. We're gonna take a look at the shoe, and then I'm gonna put together a quick outfit for you all, just to give you an idea of how I would style it. And yeah, let's go ahead and open this box up. Got them from StockX. There's my receipt. I've actually, fun fact, I've never owned, or at least not that I can remember, I've never had an Air Jordan box in front of me. Every Jordan that I get, it always comes in a Nike box. This is the first one I've gotten that came in an Air Jordan box with the cement pattern. Yeah, it just hit me as I'm opening. I'm like, man, this is a really cool looking inside of the top of the cover, and I'm like, wait a second, I've never actually had one of these boxes before, so that's really cool. All right, we've got a cement paper right here, and let's take a look. Oh, okay, so immediate, oh, these are nice. These are nice. Hold on. Okay, so initial thoughts, like immediately as I'm opening the box, the shoe's a lot more gray than I thought it would be. I thought this portion of the upper would be white, or more close to white than gray. It's actually a very gray shoe. This caught me off guard a bit, but nonetheless, it's still beautiful. It's still, I mean, what I expected for the most part. I just thought, because all the photos I would see online, they look white, and I guess that's because of the lighting, whether they're outside or they have studio lighting or anything like that, and so it comes off lighter than at least these do, unless I got a fake pair, which I don't think I did. Air Jordan 4, we've got the mesh panel going around the upper here. Man, that thing is beautiful. I don't know, so I see this little like point sticking out from the toe box. I don't think that's a design choice. If you guys can see it, right. Oh wait, right there. I don't think that's a design choice, but it happens to be on both pairs. That's a little weird to me, but I guess again, yeah, I don't know. The only thing so I don't want this to come across like I'm disappointed or anything. I really do love this shoe. Like even as I'm looking at my camera, this upper looks white. It looks white, and I thought the laces were gonna be more white. Everything is gray, very gray. I thought it was more like white, or as close to white as possible, with the gray on this part of the upper, this panel, and then the white in the bottom. But I mean, it's fine though. Yeah, like little marks here and there. It's not perfect, but I'd give it a 9.5. Nothing to really drive me crazy. The shape seems totally fine. Yeah, I mean, that's basically the shoe. It's an extraordinary work of art. Tinker Hatfield just ahead of the game in terms of design. That man was truly a genius. Dude, this shoe, I'm really excited. I'm really looking forward to putting this outfit together. It's nothing crazy, it's just something simple that I think will work well. And we're gonna wrap the video up from there. All right. All right, and here's the outfit. Like I said, it was gonna be something pretty simple, nothing too crazy, but I just kind of wanted to show off a quick kind of look that I would throw on with these shoes. Because they're gray, because they have different shades of gray, you can kind of wear them with a lot of different outfits because gray is a neutral color and the blue doesn't stand out too much to the point where it'll maybe throw things off. So I think you can get away with wearing this shoe with just a lot of stuff, even if it's just like white and black, white and gray, all gray, different shades of gray, whatever you want to do, mostly blue. You'd be able to still go ahead and throw these on because I think they will blend with plenty of options. But this is just a quick kind of look that I would throw together if I'm gonna maybe run some errands or just maybe hanging out, grabbing a bite to eat, happy hour, something like that. Yeah, oversized hoodie from Daniel Simmons. I got on my Lacoste Novak Djokovic shorts, super comfortable. The blue matches really well with the blue in the 4s. And as I've said before, you don't have to match your tones exactly. I think that makes it a lot more difficult to try and put outfits together when you're like, oh, this blue is 2 semi shades off from this. Like, the blue's close enough, even if it's not, like, you start to see that colors play off, different shades of the same color play off of one another really well. So even if your blue isn't exactly the same, in this case it's close, but it's not exactly the same, it's still gonna look totally fine. All right, so just keep that as food for thought. And yeah, this is the outfit, simple, and I'm picking up on the white accents with this beanie. As always, thank you all so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, please do so. Like, comment, share, if you will. It really helps out so much. We finally passed 500 subscribers. So now I need to really kick it into gear and start cranking out videos to get this watch time up so that way I can start monetizing my videos. But we've passed a humongous milestone, and I just thank each and every one of you who have subscribed to the channel, who enjoy the videos, who like watching them, who like to just get, some knowledge on fashion, style, what's going on in the world of menswear. And yeah, man, I cannot thank you all enough. So grateful. Yeah, before I ramble on too long, just wanted to get that out. Thank you. We finally passed 500 subscribers. And until we put the pieces together again, later, y'all.